So guys, once again welcome back to VA Trade. Second half training session. Now let us watch. So if you see my markets were completely flat, no doubt. So then I've been observing from that time. So almost if you see here from 12:30 to 1:30, not a single buy move. So look over here, stuck in the range. So if I see like that. So not much difference, nothing more difference in it. So 100 points, just 100 points. Let us watch now. Meanwhile, I have a position. I'll show you that. Okay, this one. I generally don't put this short position in chat because it'll elapse my my trading pattern. I generally don't do it, but just I want to show where to enter. So what I do is here you go. This is the entry level and stop loss. Take it towards the day high. And target, then you keep it towards here. So if you see like that, almost yes, 70-80 points plan I have. And stop loss is 11 points. Stop loss 11 to 10 points. This is the trade. Enter at 17,698. Target. My first target will be 17,655. Second gap filling here 17,000 for day low. So just look at that. Meanwhile, stop loss 17,710. 710. I'll keep the stop loss. Let's remove this. So this is my target area. Just watch. But for this to work, market should go up to this level. Then you can take entry. Until this entry, just watch the market, guys. Just watch the market. Let me just see banking sector. What's happening? They are making the just wait a minute before this, because if I find it as a double top or M pattern being formed, if you want, I'll show you. So look at that. Today's day low, just catch this point, day high, and mid low again this here. So, but I want this. I feel this one. Or if you want, you can take up to 704. You can take entry level for target of this. Entry level, you can keep it here. Stop loss remains the same, just 5 points stop loss. I feel it as M pattern, double top coming, so I feel this here it may take rejection, or it may take now also. Let us watch. Well, SBI is making a bullish symmetrical triangle, so it may bounce back. So watch on SBI, bullish symmetrical. If you want, I'll just show it to you. So look at that, SBI making bullish triangle. So what it may do is may give a breakout, retest, then go for target 562 day high. So I'll just remove this. Meanwhile, double bottom in ICICI Bank or W pattern. But also I'll just show you. So two sectors looking bullish. So that's the reason I'm telling you. So this also I'll just show you. Double bottom you can see day high, that's sudden a low, one high, then again here. So eventually this is the target. 869 you can see double bottom in this one. So two sectors looking strong. Meanwhile HDFC is already strong but somehow taking some rejection. So that's the reason. So I'll just remove this. Or let us watch. I feel this M pattern. The one sector what I'm telling is related to banking. So banking may do perform better I feel. So let us watch. Still it's coming towards low. Meanwhile, for me, for this level, this trade to execute, it should come at 17,704. After that, I'll execute for a quick stop loss of 710 or 709. Then first target is 17,655, then 17,623. So let us watch. Is it the M pattern or what is it really performing? I'll just remove this. Remove all the price tags. There's a confusion for you. So this was the market. Meanwhile, Nifty Bank to somehow exactly it's taking resistance at this level and support at this level. So breakout of this, you can go for either side, guys. Breakout of each side you can go. Just look at this resistance. So now you know Nifty Bank breakout of any other side. If it's breaking downside, then this will be the ultimate target. Gap filling area is here. Here you go, gap filling area. No gaps over here, between only gap filling area is here. So trade like that. Meanwhile, my concentration will be on both the indices, but little towards Nifty because it's forming an M pattern, double top pattern. Once again, it's forming. That's the reason. Meanwhile, banking stocks like SBI and ICICI Bank may give a break towards high level. That's what we're feeling. Let us watch. Just watch the trade. Just watch. So good level momentum. I feel something is coming. So let us watch. Good level momentum. I feel something is coming. So let us watch. So look at that. Now Nifty Bank, just pay attention, breaking all this towards the bottom side. What's happening? SBI is looking good. ICC is looking good. HDFC is it? Yes, HDFC is the one. Bullish symmetrical triangle in SBI, so it can break towards the upper side. I feel it will break towards the upper side. Rather than 563 or 565 is the target. Meanwhile, HDFC is the one that actually led the Bank Nifty morning for my first two targets to meet up in these two candlesticks. It was led by the HDFC Bank, so good level. So yes, it's at good level. You can go long in it. Let's watch. My concentration now is on Nifty. If it's making double top or M pattern, I may take a trade over here. Quick execution, and my first target for gap filling will be. This is my first target, I believe I told, but for me, yeah, I think 665, 650 is a good level to sell. Then you can wait for further weakness. So let us watch what the FIs will do. Are they turning to be a net buyers or sellers? Tomorrow expiry, so please now avoid deep OTM. Avoid the deep OTM now market. Theta will be stronger. No doubt the theta will be stronger. So time decay will be more. You can go up to max is 200 points or 250, 300 points, but above that, if you go, you will be just with, imagine a strike price in P or C trading with 30 rupees. Tomorrow, when you see market open sideways, you'll be seeing a 30 rupees turned to 20 rupees or 15 rupees quickly. You won't be able to just predict it fast. That's how fast is time decay in it. So yes, Nifty coming towards my target level 704, just far by 22 points. I'm waiting for that. I'm waiting for those 22 points. If it's coming, I'm ready to short. Let us watch. We are ready to short, but quick stop loss of 7, just 5 points. Let us watch what it'll do. This. So let us watch. Slow and steadily going. Now 21 points away. I'm waiting for it. It'll come. I don't need to be panic or it'll come. If it comes, we'll take it. If it doesn't come, we'll try something else. I just have patience and watch it till unless and it will come here. From my side, no entry, no exit. Bank Nifty LQ1, if you're breaking towards here, they give me the fake out, guys. They may give a fake out at this level. They'll give a fake out here so that you keep your stop loss here and you keep the target here. That's obvious. So what they do, they fake out. They make you get your money into the market. Then they create stop losses. They put your money into their pocket and make you one more fake breakout towards the upper side. So you need to stay cautious with the FIs. They play a lot. They know the trick to get your money into their pocket. So let's watch. So I'm still waiting for it. I'm waiting for it to come. Just little more, guys. I'm waiting for it. It may come soon. I want to start it. Let me even trigger my stop loss. I don't care. I just want this trade. I want a proper execution. So I'm waiting for it. It's okay if I miss it. So currently markets are in sideways in Nifty Bank. Nifty Bank it is currently sideways. SBI just broke up. So look, I was telling it is a bullish symmetrical triangle. Look over there. Green clear cut broke up. And let us wait for retest. Meanwhile, ICICI is somewhat struggling. If ICICI breaks, then Bank Nifty may break towards the high. No doubt. What do you do, guys? Take a trade here. Take this trade. I tell you to execute 1 minute. Just watch this. If any entry comes towards this level, you can buy for it. No doubt you can go for buying over there. That will be that. I guess we were a little late. We should have captured this moment. We were a little late. We just came. No worries. We come once again and it is. Well, this is the one I was waiting for. So what you do, it is first what you do first, let it go, take rejection. If it's coming back, then you can go for it. Just little have patience. Let us watch, still it's not yet near our target, so I'm waiting more for more 14 points. More 14 points, so instead it is coming. I believe it, even ICICI broke, I'm waiting for ICICI breaking. Meanwhile, HDFC is supporting it. I think today leader was Indus Bank, 3% cut I believe towards the upper side. Should be more than 3%. So let us watch. So when we were just late, we came near a target, but no worries. We had kept little before I had kept it over here initially, I believe. Initially, I had kept it around 293. If it was there, then yes, it would have been a 60-50 points rally. Would have enjoyed it. No worries. One more trade will be have. One more trade is this trade, Nifty put option for target of 600. I believe if 17,700 can be taken, then yes, it may head to 750, 765. But let us watch. I believe why I'm taking this trade is for double top and M pattern clearly forming over here. So that's the reason. This is the target. If you were to show you, look at that today's low. For example, today's low, today's high. Then again in afternoon one low and heading towards high. If it comes here, no doubt, but if it breaches, then you should stay cautious. But I feel it may take rejection around these levels and come back eventually here. So what my belief is, or it may even come up to these levels with 70-80 points. So that's what I'm watching. Meanwhile, this trade could be successful if you are taken. So only one trade is successful, no worries. So let us watch. I'll just remove this. So look at the Bank Nifty, the target easily achievable, more than 1:1 given. So ICICI Bank, SBI broke goodly. Now ICICI and HDFC, I believe, yes, all the three sectors looking strong now. Well, SBI is breaking towards their high. I'll show it to you. So look at that. Bullish symmetrical. I told you at this point, and look at the result. 563 is the eventual target. What's those levels? Yes. Now look at that. Look at this, guys. Day high broken, almost there. Let me just see in Bank Nifty, day high broken. Yes, day high broken. Almost there, near day high. Yes, broken. Look at that. So this trade was successful. This trade was successful. SBI helped it towards breaking day high, followed by HDFC and ICICI Bank too. Still, it's going up. More further. Look at that power. So we were just a little late. Would have able to capture over 98 points. No worries. No worries. Meanwhile, the one to look over here is this level. So at this level, let it go here. If I feel any rejection coming towards here or below this, then I'm going to take a trade for target of 17,650 or 665. That's it. More 50 points, 52, 35, 40, 35 points. That's it. Meanwhile, let us watch. Once again, day high. Bank Nifty once again day high. So now almost again HDFC breaking towards day high. Now ICICI Bank supporting it. Look at that strong rejection. That's the reason I've been waiting. Look at the strong resistance. Let us watch. Once again, it's fighting. So now above this level, I have no open area target, guys. I don't believe. So this, yeah, sorry, 400. Exactly taking resistance over there. So let us watch. Meanwhile, look over here. Look at this. That's the reason I told. This is just a fake out. Eventually, market should go up. It will go up till here or this level, then take a resistance. So waiting for let it go up. If it's any resistance, if it's coming down, then I'll tell you to take a trade. Otherwise, don't need. Look at that. Strong candles. Strong candles. ICICI, yes, ICICI Bank. Well, buying in SBI and HDFC. SBI is the one leading. SBI is the one leading it. So strong candlestick. Meanwhile, at our target area. Meanwhile, near our target area, let us watch. Stay cautious and watch. Don't take now, and they'll tell you just wait. Don't take it now itself. Let it go. If it's facing some rejection at 720, 710 level, then it will come down. Then you may take, but eventually it will take out. So let us watch. some rejection now, so let us pay attention. Yes, nearby, just wait. Nearby, look at that, it's completely giving. Let it go, I don't care. I'm just waiting. If it takes some rejection at 720 or 710 level, comes to that orange line, then execute the trade. Until unless don't wait. If it's breaking day high Nifty, then this trade won't be applicable. Almost there to break day high. Okay, broken day high. So look at that. That's what I was waiting for. Let's wait. So near our stop loss entry level, just wait. I'm waiting for one more confirmation, then I'll execute. So it's near to day break high. That's the reason. Because if it's breaking the double top, if I see one candlestick above this level, closing of this candlestick above this, then don't need to execute. I'll just remove it. Look at this Bank Nifty. Look at Bank Nifty, looking strong. So for morning, I'll be telling buying on dips is the only level. Meanwhile, Nifty, I'm somewhat little cautious. Let's watch. Closing of the candlestick, you'll get an idea, guys. Just hold for 2 more minutes. 1 minute now. Just hold for 1 minute. Actually, next candlestick, closing of next candlestick will be a idea. So this one will just give a fake out. The current candlestick shows a rejection, but the next candlesticks, couple of next candlesticks are important. So that's the reason I'm just watching. Good level buying in Nifty and Bank Nifty. Nifty is the one leading it. Nifty is the one. Nifty Bank is the one that is leading it. So now avoid deep OTM. People, P option buyers, please avoid deep now. Don't buy. There's no the entry level. And tomorrow after 12:30 only 0 to 0 trade. Otherwise don't. So look at that strong candlesticks once again. That's the reason. Look at that closing itself is above the red line. I'll just close this. I'll keep it. It's okay. No worries. It's not like you have taken the trade. So let us watch. So now next target was here and clearly broken. So morning at trade, people who have executed here, and if you are exiting at this level, good. Imagine people who have entered. People who have entered and executing at these levels. 95 points in Nifty, which is more than enough. 95 points. If you have taken a 13,600, look at that, from all the way 60 to trading at 133, 100% given. That's the power. So now 41,500 is trading. Bank Nifty near 41,500. So fun rejection, one more coming. So I think rejection coming. That's the reason I told. So now let us watch. You can take the entry at this level if you want, or don't. Closing of this candlestick will get to know. Closing of the candlestick will get to know. That's the reason why I'm telling is because they give a lot of fake outs. SIs give a lot of fake outs. Or if you like it, if you want, you can trade it because it's clearly it's broken the day high. But still, I feel double top formation can happen. Doesn't mean it's go take immediate rejection, nothing like that. It may happen little while also. So let us watch. If I see this candlestick come here and take a support over here, then don't. But if I see it fail further below this candlestick, you can take an entry level. So near my candlesticks, I think we are almost there to execute. Let's pay attention. Okay, look at that. So now coming slow and steadily. The trading below my slightly below, slightly now. Look at that. So that if this becomes closes below this level, then you can execute. It's okay. I told you to execute here. No worries, but you can execute over here. There's a big coming now slowly. Support is there. That's the reason I told. Just 30 seconds now. 35 seconds. Watch this. Careful. So this is the reason I told. Look at this. Quick rejection. So buyers are there, guys. So market is still clearly buying on dip. No doubt, buy market is still buying on dip. So don't execute now. I'm telling you, don't execute. Market is buying on dip. So if you have bought the dip at this level, then just hold it. I know this was a good trade, but I felt like it could be a double top, but no worries. Market are in strengthening mode. Getting led by now SBI is the one, that's obvious, followed by HDFC 2. So ICICI just 1 point up or down. If that breaks, then market may head towards further day high, no doubt. So yeah, look at that. Look at this. This is the important. Okay, now sudden change of events. So let's watch. How does it look? Is it a fake out? So now below this candlesticks, we can take the trade. Just remove it and put it over here. So below this level, you can take the trade, guys. Below this level, this candlestick. So yeah, below this level, look at that strong rejection. Strong rejection below this level, you can take a trade. Or do you let it go? A retest will come, then you can take. Or if you want, you can take it here itself. No worries. Either here, if you want, if you have taken, you can. Or if you want, you can take it here also at 698 or 704. So 698 now, trading at 698. Wait, closing of the candlestick will have the confirmation. It's okay if you miss the trade, but just for confirmation, let us watch. If there's something I'm cooking over here. Then trading at 698 level. 698 it's trading, so just watch. Okay, that's 698. Okay, broken. So you can take the trade I told, but okay, just let us wait for 2 or 3 more minutes. Let us wait. So okay, no issues if you miss the trade. The next candlestick is the important one. Next candlestick was the important one. If there is a retest, then let us watch. So look at that. That's the reason I told. Look at my 2 minutes patience level. Help me to save from my stop losses. Just 2 minutes patience help me. That's the reason I told. I knew they would give fake out. That's the reason I told. Just 2 minutes patience. Look at that now. Turning out to be fine. So markets are eventually bullish, guys. No doubt. Which bank broke up? All the three banking are doing good. Three stocks in banking, which for me favors is the HSA, SBI, and HDFC. These three hold the heavy weightage in Nifty Bank, and all the three are doing good. So it's 215, guys. Now please avoid any deep OTM above 300. Please avoid it. Tomorrow, if you want for 0 to 0 trade, take it after tomorrow 12:30. After 12:30 p.m. tomorrow, you need to take for 0 to 0 trade. Meanwhile, just have the script, don't execute it because time decay is too fast now. Tomorrow itself, you'll be able to manage 0 to 0 trade. So let us watch. So meanwhile, there's some fun over here. Rejection facing multiple times, support taking multiple times. So this is the important level turning event in Nifty. Even Bank Nifty now is out of my range. Above 400, I never wanted to trade. I've been telling from morning about 400, 41, 400. I never intend to trade. Meanwhile, Nifty looking good. Nifty may go up to 750 or take a rejection and come back towards 650. So either side, there's 50 points. Either side 50 points. But issue is that we can take both the side, but time decay is there. That's the reason. If it acts sideways at this level, it's 215, more 15 minutes. After that, sideways. So if it acts sideways either side, then time decay and we'll be stuck with both the sides. Instead of being a hero, we become zero. So our trade from 0 to hero will become to hero to zero. So stay cautious, dosto. So pay attention, have patience. Important is not every trade should be executed. Important is that minimum trade, but with high good returns. That is important. So I say SBI, look at that. As I told, symmetrical bullish. Look at that. So this is the power of having right knowledge. I'm happy if you gain something from my knowledge. I'm really happy. I don't need anything else. Look at that strong knowledge. Strong. Look at that. I told you in this level, so it's making a bullish symmetrical triangle. It may break out. It didn't even give one retest. Didn't even give us retest once. So that's the power. Meanwhile, let us look over here in the bank Nifty, and Nifty stuck at the upper level. Look at this, stuck in the upper level. Confusion mode. Is the market leaving now? Is the money leaving the market or coming into the market? Let us watch for 30 minutes. Now stay cautious. Once again, if we see a one more rejection at this level, then it may go up, or if it's taking multiple rejection at this level, it may come down. So for gap filling area, this time slide 25 points I'll keep. This is my target. First target I'll keep a quick. Be in the money or at the money. Don't be OTM because premium the price movement will be a little late in OTM. In deep OTM means please just pack up your bags and close the trading, because if you're in deep OTM, don't expect it's just 25 points. Also, you'll see it 1-2 points. First target will be here, then the second target will be in this gap filling. So one more rejection. Let us watch. This time, I don't see it as any pattern. Also, it's not even forming a pattern. So I don't see it a pattern. So let us watch. I don't see a pattern. Look at the multiple rejection at this level and multiple rejection. There's a confusion market now. Because of this confusion market, you need to stay a little cautious. So exactly look 476 bank Nifty. I'll show you this. I think I've shown in previous also. I'll keep showing. So in this exactly you can see taking support the resistance 41,476 exactly there. So it's trading near those levels. So for me, if it breaks this level, this is the important why I've drawn, because they're downtrend see. So from when the 14 December itself, that was the first downward trend, we should have notified it, but no worries. So when we have seen that, look at that, then final low, one more support at exactly this level, then again high. So this time a downward trend was starting. Look at that clearly making a move. So now what we need to see is this level. This is the level, I feel this level. If it's breaking out, let it go, take one rejection, come back to this level, then we can go for long for target of 42 for 400 440 levels. Otherwise it's avoidable. Meanwhile, exactly taking resistance at 470 480 levels. So let us pay attention. Meanwhile, look at this multiple. So finally some rejection. 10 more minutes guys, let us watch. 10 more minutes. After that, any deep OTM, it's up on your head. For me, if you ask me, I would avoid it. I would personally avoid it. So multiple rejection on the upper side. So let us watch what is it trying to do. So don't know why this rejection. Or F5 may have entered. Let us watch. Look at this. So this level, no volume. So money is not coming into the market at this level. They were waiting for a dip. So let us watch. 8 more minutes for me now. No entries, guys. Please don't take. As I said, it is all. Or just for information, you can just keep it until then. So no entries from my side. So if Bank Nifty this time closes above 41,600, then the bullish momentum moves to 42,400, no doubt. But this time it's closed below 41,400 itself, then yes, you may see support of 40,700, no doubt. So now buying emerging. Oh, SBI is leading it. ICCI just broke, minor break in it. Now even HDFC broke towards in green. So three sectors are holding it up. These two, these two, I believe SBI held it up. If you want, I can show you also. I've shown also. For these two, one, so that's the power of holding weightage. So SBI broke. That is the reason SBI also, Nifty Bank also broke towards high. Meanwhile, Nifty, let us watch. More 7 minutes, guys. Have patience and let us watch. So now pay attention. Look at that. So confusion market at the upper level. From my side, no entry, guys. More 3 minutes to go. Meanwhile, any doubt you can comment in the comment section. Let us watch. Coming towards their high now. Bank Nifty towards their high. Bank Nifty going towards their high. I'm watching it. Unable to break 41,500, but actually I don't see it as a resistance. 41,500. Horizontal resistance remains at 41,700. From there you can just add more around 700 more points for 41, 42, 400. Now Nifty broke towards their high. So instead it broke towards their high. So watch it, guys. For 2 more minutes. 2 more minutes. Let us watch. So look at that. So finally it's breaking down, but for me, there is no entry from my level. So we'll be ending the stream tomorrow. 0 to 0 trade at 1:30. Meanwhile, morning 2 will be coming, but quick from 9:30 to 9:15 to 10:30. For that I want the. Then again same at 1:30. So stay tuned, guys.